It's a little bit small for you. That's for a baby. You've already broken his swing and you've claimed his bouncer. Yeah. You want to hop out of that now? Hmm? Mummy help you get out? No, you're going to have a swing, are you? You're a doofus. Whee! Is that fun? Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Get out, that's Money's. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.